Look how juicy. Soaking wet hair. Diva Curl, you're doing good, girl. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kelly and welcome to another hair vlog. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, click that button somewhere down below. In today's hair vlog, I'm gonna be doing Diva Curl. Now, Diva Curl, it's been very tricky, to be honest with you. Like, that's why I haven't posted like a Diva Curl curly hair review. So I wanted to just show you, I haven't done it in so long, so it's kind of like I forgot how the products actually look in my hair. So my hair is freshly washed, and I just want to show you the results that I get when I put this concoction, this combo in my hair. Today, the only thing that I have planned, honestly, is I probably have to edit some videos, and I'm gonna do Zumba with my family. As you know, well, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that my cousin Jill is a Zumba instructor, and she's gonna do like a family class in my sister's backyard. So it's gonna be really fun. But let me start this hair now because it's the early afternoon, and I don't want this to be a long video. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're in the cabinet, check. Today I'm going to be using Believin' from Diva Curl as well as their Super Cream. Like, I honestly don't know if the hold is strong enough. I'm even going to try, depending on how my hair feels, adding a Diva Curl gel. So, let's see if this really works. So this is my before. Let's clip her up. Now, Diva Curl with their products, they highly recommend, of course, Diva Curl is curly girl friendly. Like, that's like not even a question. But Diva Curl, when applying their products, they want you to do it on soaking wet hair. You hear that? Soaking wet hair. Ooh. Oh shoot. Okay. Look at the consistency. Now, Believin', it's a Miracle Curl Plumper, so it's supposed to give you texture and volume in your hair. And when you go to the salon, they always tell you like this. If you could hear that, that's a good sign. All right, now the other side. Look how juicy.
Wow.
I love Diva Curl's smell in their products. It's just very light. Like, not much to it. Subtle smell. My hair is like really wet. Super Cream. Let's see how many pumps. Wait. 1, 2, 3.5 pumps. Hopefully that's not a lot. Oh, it smells so good. We're gonna put this on top of Believin'. And this style and shapes your curls. Smells so good. My hair looks so juicy. It's crazy. You can tell it's been a minute since I used Diva Curl styling products. I always use their shower products, like their Decadence line, the No Poo, the cleanser, like the conditioner, the Wash Day Wonder. I use their Build-Up Buster. Like, everything that you can use in the shower, I use all Diva Curl. But for some reason, their styling products, like, I haven't gotten a routine, so hopefully this works. You know, maybe I did it wrong the last time. Whew. Hello, Diva. Okay, so I decided that I am not gonna put gel in my hair. I'm just gonna leave it for cream. This is so you can see it with the lighting. Sitting on my other bed. I have to give it to Diva Curl, like their shine definition, like it's so good. Like when you apply the products, it just feels amazing. There's like no other product that gives it so much moisture, like like detangles your hair. It smells so good. It's so light. Last time, the reason why I didn't do a gel is because last time I remember there being like white dots and there was like white flakes even when my hair dried. So I figured maybe if I don't try it with the gel, and I think it's because the Believe-In, honestly. Like the Believe-In and the gel, it made dots, but whatever. So I wanted to try it without the gel to see if I get different results. So fingers crossed, might be a good one. So I'm gonna allow this to dry in my hair for about 2 hours. Then I'm going to diffuse it. Let's see what happens, if it holds up, or what it looks like even before I diffuse it. So let's just wait and see the results. All right, update. So hair is drying. The middle of my head is soaking wet still. It feels like it. But you could tell by the shrinkage that my hair is drying. So I'm going to diffuse it, and then I have to go to Zumba. So like, no makeup day, loving it. It's kind of how I roll. Let's diffuse. This is crazy. Like, I already feel the difference. Like, I didn't even look in the mirror. It's just my camera. But how come every time I do my hair with Diva Curl, it never looks like this? That's why I don't document it. Like, it has to be the gel. Like, I guess the gel just, oh my God, it looks like I have bags. The gel must not work with this concoction, because this is, like, there's so much movement and it dried really quick. Like, it honestly only took me 8 minutes to dry my hair, and my hair is fully dry. But I was just so curious, because when I did Super Stretch, like, I love Super Stretch. Like, that is a one in, like, you only need one product for Super Stretch. You have to watch my video, but I'm really, really, really surprised, really shocked at using the cream. Like, I was so curious, because using the curl elongator, like the Super Stretch, that was the bomb. Like, you'll see my review, you have to watch the whole video, because yeah. But this, the coconut styler, whatever, the super cream, like, this super cream is, like, I'm so lost. Like, you don't understand how many times I have tried this, and I've owned Diva Curl for like almost 2 years, but it just like sits there, then I try it, and then I'm like, what am I doing wrong? So the fact that I'm actually filming it and it's right, like, this is so weird. But let me show you good lighting. I'm thinking about doing a video with just Super Stretch on one side and the super cream on the other, because, like, what? Look at my curls. Oh, okay, good lighting. Hold on. I know whenever I say good lighting, that means I'm just either going to this bedroom or let me check the bathroom. There's so much movement involved right now. Like mad respect for Diva Curl. All right, let's go do Zumba and see how my hair holds up. Just played volleyball, so I'm sweating, and now we're gonna start Zumba! Hi! Taylor! I'm sweating. I just got home. I put on a sweater. Hold on. My curls are so soft. It's the weirdest thing. I like a little bit more weight on my hair though. Let's just see what tomorrow morning, like what it looks like tomorrow morning, you know? It looks like this because my hair was in a ponytail, so it's like I have to like stretch it out or like work out the dents, but anyway. I will see you tomorrow morning and we will see if my hair holds up. Diva Curl, you're doing good, girl. Okay, so this is the next day. I had slept with my hair in a pineapple, and to stretch it out, what I do is I put it in a ponytail back here. I mentioned this in a video before this. and then it kind of stretches it out and removes the dents. I have to say my hair is super soft. Like, I've never experienced this with DevaCurl. I've tried so many different combos and concoctions, but by far this one works for me. The gel doesn't work for me, and maybe in one video I'll show you that too. There is a bit frizz like on top. I don't know if that's from doing Zumba last night or playing volleyball, but there's a lot of movement involved in my hair, and my hair is very soft and defined. So I have to give this combo a thumbs up. Like, I'm shocked. I don't know if it's better than Super Cream, but but it's really, really nice. So I would recommend that you try this combo out. Again, it's the Believe In and the Super Cream. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Love you. Have a great day, guys. Bye. You got to let it go. You got to let it go.